If you need a car key and you're in Las Vegas, and I don't care what car key you need, I will make any car key. Anything is a challenge to me, but I'll get it done. And welcome to Narnia, the 2005 Honda Element that shouldn't be, but it is. Ugh. You need a car key? You're in Las Vegas. I got a privileged business license. I can get it done. I have everything in my car to get this done, and this is a Honda Element. You got an old key right here, baby. You got a new key right here. You need soldering done right here. This is me. I can get it done. Ow. Goodbye from Narnia.